Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, my parrot wants attention and he wants to come out of his cage. So let him come out of his cage. So guys, in few seconds, he will go up on the cage and start walking as every parrot does, because he is right now full of excitement and wants really much attention. Yeah, as you can see, he has gone there and he will walk here and there from now. Guys, I'm sharing the routine of the day with my parrot. So it's the noon time. I think it's 2 o'clock or maybe 3 o'clock. And at this hour, he wants to, take a bath or eat his lunch or play. So we will pamper him. So here I am touching him to check his mood and to check if he bites me or not. My parrot does not bite me until I get too aggressive in touching him. Otherwise, he's so sweet. He doesn't bite anyone at our home or outside. Here I'm showing you that how hot the weather is today. It means my parrot definitely wants to take a bath. Now we are preparing to take a shower. I will shower him with this spray bottle, as I usually do with my parrot, because he doesn't take a bath at his own. Sometimes when he's in mood, he does take a bath, but sometimes I shower him with this spray bottle. So I started here, and I will go generally and gently spray. He's done taking a shower. Now we will clean the cage. Here you see I have cleaned the cage. Now it's time to give him his favorite food, which is sunflower seeds. Yes, he likes it so much. I give him this feed 2 times a day, and usually he eats so much of it. So this is the seeds I buy every month. So I think it will be enough for this time, and now we will fix it here. Okay, so my hand is not fixing here. Oh my god, I will fix that. Water is given already. So guys, this was it. I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and my parrot.